So are you happy now? Finally happy now. Yeah. Oh, he's so cute. Oh. Oh, you are so handsome.
Actually, I just want to say hi.
You just want to say hi and you're going to skip me now?
Halo, Kak Indah.
Hello. Hi ganteng. Oh my god, it's lag.
You are a beautiful girl, Kak.
Oh, thank you Zay, you're so kind. Ada Zain Malik di sini. Zay.
No.
He's
Just
really
for
good
the
at
music.
dancing. He's like a dope dancer. You guys should check him out. He's a really good dancer.
No.
Yes, you are. You move like so smooth. Like he moves. He moves so smooth.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay.
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 No, I'm really shy.
Why? Why are you so shy? I mean, oh yeah, dia pribumi guys. Dia orang Indonesia, dia lokal. He's not Korean. 자, 잘생겼어요. You
What?
잘생겼어요. He have like a really good voice too. So, can you like sing a bit?
Okay. Nyanyi apa ya?
Okay, just sing anything.
How about
아무거나.
how? Okay. Hate Everything by Jisoo. This is so make me nervous. Hate that I'm singing this song, that I have to be strong. Hate that you're gonna hate all my flaws. Hate that you love someone else. Hate everything, just hate everything right now.
Rendah sekali. Damn, your voice is really good.
Kalau Bali itu berapa? Beda berapa jam nggak?
Kalau di Bali sekarang jam 10 malam. Oh, he's so cute. Oh.
Oh, so it's different to 2 hours? Iya kan?
Yeah.
Also, so Bali have same
Time
time
zone?
as Korea.
No.
Korea is
Korea is 9 now. Wait. It's 11. Wait.
emang iya?
Ya di Korea kan jam 11 kan?
Oh, ding ya ding.
Yeah.
Wait, my bad.
Tumben Zay main Omen. Oh my god, no Zay.
No.
Yes, you are. I've watched your video with the Korean girl.
Bentar. Kayaknya aku juga pernah lihat deh.
Yeah. No, I'm not a YouTuber. You are a YouTuber.
Iya, bener. No, I've seen you before in my YouTube home. No, you're from Indonesia. I know you.
Yes, I'm from
I know you.
Indonesia.
Don't lie, come on, don't lie.
No, I'm not lying. I'm from Indonesia.
Yang waktu itu ini kan, ada juga konten yang sama orang Korea kayaknya.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, the signal is really bad.
Signal is pretty bad. I really like your voice, Dennis.
Jadi aku nyanyi boleh?
Of course, please, Dennis.
I'm sorry to leave me. I want you here with me. You know that our love is gone. I can't breathe. I'm so weak. I know this isn't easy. Don't tell me that your love is gone. That your love is gone.
Oh my god.
I make a mistake. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. It was dope.
Salah chord tadi salah.
Your voice is really good.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Boleh, boleh,
Ini
boleh.
Sulaiman. Aku ketemu penyanyi yang
Okay.
suaranya
It
merdu.
was nice to meet you though. It was nice to.
Yes, of course. It
Kenapa?
was nice meeting you too. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. What is your favorite country?
My favorite country? Indonesia.
Your country?
Of course.
Yeah, my favorite country is Korea.
Your favorite country is South Korea?
Yeah, South. Not. Now you have a job, right?
Of course. I'm an English teacher.
Yeah. English teacher or English to Indonesian you teach, right? And that's really nice because in Burmese is also called Myanmar, right? Myanmar, that's the same. So in Burmese school, the school teach were very much English, right? So I need to self-study learning. So from YouTube, from application, and so my self-study. So my English is not really good.
Your English is good.
I don't think so bad. You're a teacher, you're more perfect because I don't know like the grammatically.
No, your English is perfectly fine for me.
Yeah, you understand me, right?
Of course I understand you.
Yeah, when I was young, when I see the foreigner, I'm so afraid to talk with them because like it's just like I'm thinking about what the grammatically pattern or I eat or like this because I'm so confused like when I see the foreigner write this.
I was like that too when I was 5 or 6. I can't really like speak with foreigner, but now like hey, what's up, bro? You're cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
How many language can you speak?
So I speak Balinese, Indonesian, English, and Korean.
Korean? Perfectly?
아니에요. 그 정도는 아니에요.
No? Yeah, just a little bit.
Well,
No, level 6 or level 5 you complete?
저 테스트 뭐 그런 거 안 해봤어요.
Oh yeah, you Korean also good.
How long have you used this app?
Over 1 month.
Have you met
Yeah.
a YouTuber here?
Many.
Many YouTuber?
Yeah.
But I think I've
Hey.
seen your face on YouTube.
My face?
Yeah, that's why when I first met you on YouTube.
No, I'm not really.
Oh, really? Really? 진짜요? 그 유튜브에서
진짜?
네. But I don't know the name, but I think I saw you on YouTube.
I don't know really. Yeah, maybe
Well, it's okay, right?
that's okay. That's no need to be ashamed, right? Because I don't do like the rude work. I don't
it's
say
okay.
the rude work.
You
Yeah,
don't
that's
do you don't do bad words. You don't do
Yeah, that's
anything,
good
so it's
power.
okay for
Yeah.
you on YouTube.
it's okay, right?
괜찮아.
That's okay.
괜찮아.
How do you think? Yeah, I regret ask you my like a teacher. So how do you think my English?
I think your English is perfectly fine, but you talk
Yeah?
too fast.
I talk too fast.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you talk too fast. So that's why if you talk to me, like, okay, I can like slightly understand you because I've always like listened to rap music, so like listening something fast for me is like it's okay. But when you talk
Alright.
with other foreigner, it would be like really hard. So you have to like talk a bit slowly.
A bit slowly here. Now it's okay now
It's okay.
because I'm used to it. Yeah, I need to change.
I know.
Is it raining? You hear that it's too loud? Is it raining?
Here?
No. In my place. So it's annoying you?
No,
It's okay.
소리. 소금. 그냥 괜찮아요.
괜찮아?
괜찮아요.
Yeah, you watch that K-drama, right?
I watch K-drama, of course.
K-drama. Which K-drama do you like?
What story is that? Sounds
What's that?
이거. Like that.
Maybe me or maybe upper my
Your neighbor?
Yeah, side. Yeah. Because it's just like fade down the door or it's like a desk fade down. Maybe I don't really exactly know.
Okay.
You hear that?
Of course, a little bit.
Yeah. By the way, your camera is like a 1080p.
I get
Oh
that.
yeah. Oh my god.
Oh no, I think it's 720. 720.
720?
Yeah, 720.
Yeah. Is there anyone in your room?
No, I'm working right now. I'm working
You
online.
working?
Yeah.
No.
So I'm looking if there's like an online buyer. So that's why I keep checking the notification.
I don't know. You are looking at some corner of the camera, so I did that. There's someone in your room. I didn't like that.
There's no one. I'm alone.
You have a good voice. Oh my god.
Yes, I know.
Can you sing a song? Can you sing a song for me?
What song?
Do you wanna try?
Do you like Korean
Yeah.
song?
Which Korean song do you wanna sing?
Who's your favorite singer? Girl.
BTS.
So are you happy now?